Assalaamualaikum everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are all doing really well. So for today's video I'm going to be doing a vintage inspired canvas with the words from the Holy Quran, Kun Faya Kun, which means be and it is. So first I'm going to prime my canvas with a white primer, and I'm just going to use a paintbrush for that. And you're just going to want to blend that all into the canvas. And today I'll be using this sponge technique. So I'll need a white wet background, so my background will need to be wet while I do the sponge technique. So I'm going to need to work really fast to achieve the look that I want to achieve. I know I probably don't make any sense right now, but you'll understand as you keep watching the video as we go through. So now what I'm doing is getting my sponge, and I dabbed it into a bit of brown, and I'm just going to start dabbing that all over the canvas, creating this vintage hazy look. I've kept my sponge slightly wet, so as it blends into the white it turns into a much lighter brown, and as you can see you get this amazing texture. And here I'm just adding some more different tones of brown towards the bottom and the sides, so that I get this gradient effect where it almost illuminates from the middle. And once your canvas is nice and dry, you want to go ahead and draw in your calligraphy or whatever you want to paint on top. I have a video on how I transfer my Arabic calligraphy onto a canvas. I'll link that in the description below if you want to go ahead and check that out. So for the calligraphy I'll be using lots of different shades of brown and rust and also black and white, so that it has this nice gradient effect. And of course I want my calligraphy to be much darker than my background, so I won't be saturating the colors as much. I'll just be blending them in with water to make them a bit runny. And that's the finished piece, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, then please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also check my work out on Instagram at Qalbcalligraphy. Thank you so much for watching.